So what self-supervision does is usually that if you have all these pictures, I'm just telling it, here are pictures of things. Learn about things. And once it got really good at learning about things, whether cats, couches, grass, whatever, then I can take that model that is trained on a generic perspective of the world, and I tell it, okay, one of the most popular things in this space is called an autoencoder. And the idea is that I give it a picture of something. Let's say this time I'm giving a picture of a cat. It's going to try to learn a vector representation of a cat, and then using that through machine learning, let's call it a neural network. And then there's another piece to it that is going to use as input this vector representation, and its only job is to reconstruct the image of that cat exactly as it was presented in the input. So we're asking this to go into a sort of bottleneck compression stage of compression of knowledge. And here's a picture, give me a vector, and I'm going to use this vector to reconstruct the cat perfectly. And so if I do that for a lot of objects, it's going to learn to represent anything in a very small vector, and it's going to reconstruct that.
So what it's learning in the self-supervision process there is how to make vectors that are uniquely associated with all of your training data.